Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to circle crop any photo. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari, but you can open any web browser. Now in here you want to type Circle Crop Photo Aid. When you open this website, it's going to look something like this. Let's click here to upload our image. I'll simply upload this photo. And when you upload the photo, you can drag this and select the area of the photo you want to keep. Take your time here. When you are happy with your selection, just tap on the download button. That's it. That's how you can circle crop any photo using your mobile phone or even PC. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.